G'day YouTube, welcome back to the channel, hope you're keeping well. Today I'll be showing you how to create a multi-post panorama slider suitable for Instagram. This will allow you to show your entire landscape image as a panorama slider, just like this one up here. Hope you enjoy. Have you ever posted a landscape image only for it to be this small instead of this big? Instagram has this neat little feature where it allows its users to create a slideshow of images in a single post. Not bad. Today I'm going to show you how to hack the carousel so you're able to post wide panorama photos without reducing the quality of your image. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is we're going to export multiple vertical images to create the panorama. Each slice of the original image will be 1080 wide and 1350 long. If you have quite a wide panorama, it is possible to separate the image into more than just 2 images. You do 3 or 4, whatever you want, man. Up to 10 though. You can only put max of 10 photos on Instagram at one time. With each photo you want to create, you multiply the width of this single image by the number of photos. For example, if you have a panorama that you want to break into 3 images, you'd crop the image so that it's 1350 long by 3240. So here in Lightroom we're going to crop the image to the appropriate dimensions, so later on we are able to slice the image in 2. This can also be completed in Photoshop if you want to stick to the one program. If you would like me to do a separate video for Photoshop only, let me know in the comments. Click on the crop overlay tool while in Lightroom and change the aspect ratio to custom. In the first box we want to put the length or height of the overall image, which is 1350. In the second box is the total length. This figure is dependent on how many images you intend to create for the carousel. For this photograph, I will be splitting it into a 2-image carousel, therefore you multiply the normal width of 1080 by 2, giving you 2160. Now that the image is appropriately cropped, right click on the photo in the reel at the bottom and click on Edit in Photoshop CC. When in Photoshop, make sure you unlock the layer. After this, head to View, which is found right at the top, and click New Guide Layer. This is where the magic happens. Make sure Rows is unticked, and for columns, if you are creating 2 images like I am, just put 2 in the number box. Clear out any values in the width and gutter. If this isn't done, your carousel won't be seamless due to the gap produced. Next up is the Slice tool. Sometimes this is actually hidden from the standard toolbar. If it is hidden, right click on the 3-dot icon at the bottom of the toolbar and click Edit Toolbar. As I actively use these tools, they are in my toolbar. Normally, however, they would be in the extra tools column. Notice how they disappear from my live toolbar as I move them across. While you have the Slice tool active, click on Slice from Guides at the top. Next up, the images need to be exported via Save for Web. Now I don't know about you guys, but I find this function to be glitchy sometimes. Maybe I just have an average computer. Regardless, while in the Save for Web dialog box, fit the photo to screen, make sure both pieces are highlighted, change the format to JPEG and choose maximum quality. Make sure you do adjust the image size to the dimensions of 2160 wide, 1350 high, and save the image. And this is the final product. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it, always do. If you enjoyed this Photoshop tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and share it to anyone that you think they might find it useful. Thank you again and have a great day or night.